everybody! Drift car. We say number one again. Actual drift car number one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Which this little faggot's playing Guitar Hero the whole fucking time and we get started. This fucking Thomas would help. But giving him a hard time. New shop. Fancy. I think I've shown it. A little bit of it. There's no Beamer in the way anymore. It's the Mazda. All the lights. All the crap. We're already getting started on it. Because we're not live. Cut air. Yeah. What we're doing right now is because the back half is too high. So we're going to engine lift it. Because I didn't think through all the way. And we can't put the wheels back on. Dumbass me. So we're lifting it and putting it back down on the jack stand so we can actually take all the wheels off and start working on the axles and stuff. Besides that, we got just as disassembly work, same fucking thing. But it still looks like crap. But we got music, we got lights, which you can't see me anymore. So that's the update drift car project number one, really, because this is when we actually get started on it and finishing it. What we got? We got baskets, we got shippings coming in left and right. It just depends on how fast they get here. We're stripping everything now. We're gonna make it back into a street car, so getting its title is our fun part. Because I did not buy it with the title. So now we gotta find lost title and stuff. We don't, might have been stolen, but so what we're gonna do is change VIN numbers, see if we can find another Mazda and combine them. So if we find a whole new Mazda, I'll just have one as a luxury and one as a race car, like an actual race car. So this is going to be the one with the race car and stuff, because if we find one with the title, there's no point in switching it. So this will be the actual one that transforms into the race car. But besides that, probably can't even hear me because of that. Update. That's all I got. We're just setting up everything and everything situated, getting the shop all pretty, organizing, crap like that. Besides that, that's it. That's pretty much it. Alright, comment, subscribe, comment if you have any ideas on how to get a title or anything like that, because I am beyond lost. Oh, and a dashboard. A dashboard, please. I need the stock dashboard. Anyhow, anyway, I need it to get finished with this, because we're gonna inspection and crap. Need a dashboard, and I would customize it, but we don't know about another Mazda. The only Mazda we found is in San Diego. So if anybody has a dashboard, I would like to purchase it. Finally done being nothingness.
I'm always happy. What are you talking? That or nothing.
Yeah. Okay. Next update will be, I don't know, probably tomorrow. Depends on how late we work on it tonight. What? Bye.